Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Pro Productions video. Today I'm going to show you the OBD2 port and cabin fuse box location on a 2018 Sportage. Now they're both located over the same side of the car, so go over to the left hand side of the car, or the driver's side of the car in this instance. Open up the door, just down in the footwell. Next to the steering wheel you see this hatch here. Pull the hatch out and that exposes your fuses and your OBD2 port. Now if you look at the back of the lid, that shows you all of the locations for the fuses. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumb up and subscribe to my channel.